The Bar Council of India has asked the Supreme Court to refrain from ruling on the issue of the same-sex marriage, stating that any decision could destabilize the social structure of the country. They believe that any change in the legal structure should come only through the legislature and not the court. The BCI expressed their serious concern and anxiety over the ongoing hearing of a batch of 20th petition of the legal recognition of the same-sex marriage. According to them, more than 99.9% of people in India are opposed to the idea of same-sex marriage, and any decision in favor of the petitioners will be against the culture and social religious structure of the country. They have also urged the Supreme Court to respect the sentiments and mandate of the mass of the country and leave the issue for legislative consideration. Currently, around 50 petitioners have approached the top court asking for legislation of the same-sex marriage, arguing that denying them the right to wed was unconstitutional and violative of their fundamental rights. If they succeed, India will become the third country in Asia to allow same-sex union, a mere 5 years after the court decriminalized homosexuality. The 5-judge bench began hearing the case on April 18th after turning down the union government's objections against the judicial determination of the issue. During the proceedings, the Constitution Bench disapproved of the centre's stand that the demand for the legal validation of same-sex marriage is an urban elitist concept, saying that an innate characteristic of a person cannot be called elitist. The court added that the government has failed in adducing any data to buttress his statement. On Thursday, the Constitution Bench remarked that by decriminalizing homosexuality in 2018, the top court had not only ratified consensual physical intercourse between gay couples, but also contemplated the same-sex couple could stay in a stable marriage-like relationship, adding it is now for the apex court to mull over the redefining the evolving notion of marriage in the wake of demand for legal recognition of same-sex marriage in India. Stay tuned to Jagran English for more such news and updates.